Doctors informed me that I was an able body to be able to give blood plasma, which meant I didn't have any pre-existing illnesses. I had a good hemoglobin. I wasn't on any medication. So there were a couple of criteria that I needed to match to be able to donate my blood plasma. And the doctors informed me that I was somebody who was capable of doing it, and if I was willing, I could do it. So that's when I decided to donate my blood plasma. They also told me it is for a clinical trial, and it might be useful in saving somebody's life. And that was one of the main reasons why I decided that, if there's a way for me to give back, then this was it, and I should do it. So,
well,
yeah.
Compliments for volunteering for that. And Smriti, you also gave your plasma. What was going through your mind? Were you clear about the process, about what is going to happen? Was it explained to you?
It was a volunteer decision. The doctors called me and then they explained the whole therapy and how they transfer this plasma component to the patients who are very weak and doesn't have any immunity. So it was a completely safe procedure, and they assured me that there is no kind of risk and everything is sterilized and you won't be having any blood loss and it won't affect your immunity, and you will be very strong and you won't be feeling any kind of weakness or something. So it was like, okay, I had no issues with after getting back to home. I was completely fine. So I took this decision because my blood reports were very nice, my hemoglobin was very good. So I took this decision.
Sumiti is saying, a lot of people would also be worried, or possibly the people, those who have recovered from coronavirus, would be worried about the fact that, I don't know what will happen. Will it pain? What's the process? If you could also, for a lot of people across the country, those who have recovered from this disease, if you could tell us what was the entire process? Was it painful? What was the entire process? How much plasma, in fact, did they draw from your blood?
Plasmapheresis is basically the procedure that one goes through. If you've donated blood, that is the process that is going to be followed. So they put an injection, and that injection draws out blood. The blood goes into a machine. That machine segregates your blood and your plasma, and then the blood comes back into your body. So this happens in multiple cycles until the time that the amount of plasma they want to take from you is done. For me, I donated 500 ml of plasma. So it took about 2 cycles of blood going out and coming in for me to donate the plasma. Is it painful? It's a prick. Expect that. A normal blood donation process will have a little bit, or you might feel a little nauseous, you might feel a little lightheaded. That's what I also felt, but nothing too uncomfortable, nothing that you can't handle. If you're able to do it, you definitely should do it.
I mean, doctor couldn't have explained it better, and I'm sure coming from you, from somebody who has actually gone through the process, will be reassuring for a lot of people. But Smriti Thakkar, were you afraid? Were you apprehensive about when the doctor said that we would like to use your plasma to treat other patients?
Yeah, I was first worried, but when they assured me that the whole procedure is very safe and there is no kind of blood loss, or it won't affect your body or your immunity, and they are taking complete care of, they have sanitized the whole room where this procedure happened since morning. So they took all the precautions, and there were like 8 to 9 doctors and nurses around me taking care of me. They provided me vitamins and everything. So then I had no questions of that.
What would be, Sumiti, your message to other people, those who are watching right now, those who have recovered? Because a lot of people, it's a voluntary process. A lot of people still would be apprehensive. Should every donor, and those who in fact are able-bodied, those who check all the parameters for a donor, should all of them go ahead and in fact donate their plasma?
I had a lot of apprehensions or questions, not apprehensions, more questions in terms of, if I have antibodies, will the doctors, when they take the plasma, will there be any antibodies left for me? Will I get susceptible again? Whether I will feel well after the procedure. The doctors there, they explained to me that there is absolutely nothing to worry about, that there is you're giving just a small portion of the antibodies that your body is capable of making to somebody else, and don't worry, everything will be fine. That's exactly what I have gone through, and I must tell you that if you're able to do it, do it. I've also written extensively about it on my Facebook, and I've shared a video. So in case you want to see it and see what the procedure is like, please go have a look. It's
have any apprehensions?
Also available on YouTube. So
absolutely. If you have any apprehensions, you can go ahead.
At ease and you will be able to get
and look at all those videos that Sumiti has in fact put forward. But in the